Now that you have installed your new Feit Electric Smart Recessed lights, you can connect them to the Feit Electric app individually or as a group. To pair individually, start by turning the power to your Smart Recessed light on and ensure that it is rapidly blinking. If it is not, turn the light on, off, on, off, on. Once your light is rapidly blinking, make sure your smart device's Bluetooth is on. If it is not, tap the pop-up at the bottom of your screen and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, open your Feit Electric app. Tap Add Device or the plus sign at the top right. In the pop-up window, tap Go to Add, then tap the blue plus sign to add the device. Enter your Wi-Fi network username and password, and tap Confirm. Be sure that you are using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. You will know that your recessed light is successfully connected when you receive the confirmation screen. Tap Done. If you want to connect multiple downlights or canless downlights at once, it's easier to pair them using Easy Mode. First, be sure that all of your lights are in the correct pairing mode and are all blinking rapidly. In the event that they are not, you may need to disconnect and reconnect the white tethered connector or orange terminals until they are. Now, open your Feit Electric app and add a device. However, this time when you see the pop-up window, tap Do Not Add. Then, go to Lighting and select Lighting Device. Make sure that the top right corner says Easy Mode. If not, tap the drop-down menu and select it. Tap Next. Enter your Wi-Fi network's username and password. For best results, ensure that your recessed lights are within 50 feet of your router. If not, simply adding a Wi-Fi extender can greatly improve your connection. You'll know your lights are connected when you receive the confirmation screen. Tap Done. Group your lights by tapping Groups. Then, Create Group. And select your device. Name your group. And add all the desired devices. You can now turn your lights on and off, or dim your lights. Toggle between soft white, cool white, or daylight. The color of your lights is tunable to the exact color temperature you're looking for, or pick from a variety of colors and lighting effects. You can even set a schedule for these lights. Simply add a schedule, then select the time and days.